Yes, we are on our way to Rise of the Resistance, boarding pass of 85. So we've just gotten into line for Rise of the Resistance. Melinda's going to keep track to find out how long it's taken us from point A to point B to actually get on the ride. The queue seems to be fairly long, but we'll see. It's been kind of continuously moving the whole time. Again, we had group 85, and we're just waiting in line slowly but surely. We'll hit you back soon.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First-Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poletam and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear, Deck. Initiate green flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Squads, we're rolling up.
Pucara-bound personnel, this is your final call to board. Recruits must be on board now.
Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed. On my mark.
Aguante, ven,
Black Leader, We're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company! First order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute! Batuu, Blue Flag, we gotta clear a path so transport can make the jump!
We lost rank 2, more incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'll come back for you! Stay strong!
Is there anything we can do, Nina? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
You are being detained by the First Order for questioning. Disembark and head to the right for interrogation. Go on, get off the ship. Go on.
This way, down the hall.
We're on the Star Destroyer, heading back. No telling what's going to happen. Here we go. Here we go, following orders.
That I have assigned to you are very important. You're going to need these colors later. Do not forget your color. Thank you, Lieutenant.
Why are there a bunch of resistance
No one can tell me where the resistance base is.
Double change soon, I'm sure.
The name of the planet would be very helpful. No one? Other sunglasses in space. Very Blue. You're ready for your interrogation. Red, you will follow.
Very well.
And Silver.
Prisoners are secured.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Followed by Silver. Let's go. Watch your hands and feet, everybody close.
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in detention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoner block C. There they are! Fire! These escape pods just follow us. Take the list down. I'll cover you. Hurry! No, not up! I said down! Prisoners on board. Requesting equipment authorization.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Scaffery's pocket. Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure.
Took us 34 minutes total. Took us about 15 minutes to the first part of Rise of the Resistance. So not a bad setup at all. Had a great time. Was able to see the full show this time, other than the last time because of some technical issues. But actually, overall, pretty nice. Had a great time. How about you? Excellent. We'll catch you on the next one.